So the weather is warming up now, guys. It's awesome. Hi, I'm Jill from thisoldgal.com. And today on In the Kitchen with Jill, I'm really excited to show you how to make a recipe with only 3 ingredients. Do you know what it is? Shaved ice syrup or snow cone syrup, either one. You can do it yourself. You know, to buy this kind of stuff at the store, it's like 10 bucks a bottle. That's crazy. You can make this for about, I don't know, 35 cents. Really super easy in your Instant Pot. You know, I grew up in Miami and we ate snow cones. And when I moved to California, shaved ice was really big out here. And it's so wonderful. So I'm going to show you how to make shaved ice syrup or snow cone syrup in, I don't know, 15 minutes from start to finish. So also, just so you know, I'm also going to show you how to make shaved ice syrup low carb, sugar free. That's going to be in another video so anyone can enjoy a nice snack. Here we go. So with this recipe, there's so many possibilities. Oh, thanks, Ed. I've got a ton of flavors of Kool-Aid that I bought. That I bought. It's so much cheaper to make your own stuff. So anyway, okay. Now, let's see. What flavor am I going to make today?
Let me pick.
All right, go ahead. You can pick a flavor. Whatever flavor you want. Oh, eyes closed? Okay.
This one.
Oh, cool.
Blue raspberry, your favorite.
It is. Okay, so Ed picked blue raspberry. So we'll make blue raspberry today. All right, the first thing you want to do is you're going to add 2 cups of sugar to your Instant Pot. There's 1 cup and then 2 cups. All right, just like that. And then you're going to add 1 cup of fresh water. So you're just going to pour that in. All right, so what you want to do after you pour it in is just kind of pick up the inner pot and move it around a little bit just to get it mixed in. Just like that, okay? Now, you can either put the blue raspberry in there or whatever flavor and make the flavor at once, or you can make just the sugar water and then after it comes out, you can use a couple of bottles and do different flavors. So I'm just going to do the one flavor today, but I'm going to show you without the flavor in there. All right, so now we're going to put the lid on the Instant Pot, just like that. I'm going to seal it, and we're only going to cook it, pressure cook it for a minute. So come down there, and it's got 1 minute pressure. After the minute is up, we're going to let it release for about 10 minutes because you don't want sugar water flying everywhere at you. Now, I've bought these nice bottles. They're BPA free. I like them. I like that they have the screw on top like that rather than that little top that comes off or the one that's connected. The reason I like this is because it won't leak. All right, so.
And they double great for doing tie-dye.
Oh, yes, they do. Ed makes those shirts. All right, so what we're going to do now is while this is cooking, you're going to decide on the flavors you want. We're doing the blue raspberry. So what I like to do is take the blue raspberry flavor and put it right into the glass. Like that. Are you over my shoulder watching? All right, so that's going to go right in. Just like that. And that's it. So when this has, oh, thank you. We'll show you what it's like as soon as this has released the pressure. All right, so it's reached 10 and we're going to release the pressure. It's dropped, so we're going to open the pot. All right, now sugar water is really, really hot. So I'm going to have Ed pour this into this bowl for me, but you want to make sure you cancel it. Wait until it cools down before you pour it in a little bit, so that will help. Make sure when you pour out. You never want to pour it towards yourself like that. All right, so you can see it's nice and blue. My favorite flavor. So you can just want to mix it up really, really well. And it mixes nicely. All right, like that. So I'm going to keep mixing it, and once it's cooled down, we'll pour it in here. So let it sit for, I would say about 10 minutes, let it sit. You can even put it into the refrigerator for a little bit if you like. So we'll be back in a few minutes then and we'll show you how to pour it in. So as you can see, we've made a couple of flavors as well. And I really like these bottles because you can write the name. Now if you get these bottles, and I'll link below, make sure you wash them out first. Alright, so they come with a funnel as well. Okay, so now you're going to take the syrup, and it's pretty thick. It's not thick enough that you can't pour it. It's not thin like water. It's just right, kind of like Goldilocks. So you're just going to pour it through the funnel into the bottle, and that's it. Now we like to keep the syrups in the refrigerator so they stay nice and cold. We'll use that. We're going to make a couple of shaved ice in a little bit. Alright, so this is all it is. It's great. I mean, how much does something like this cost? A thing of Kool-Aid is very inexpensive. The bottles cost, I think the bottles cost around maybe $15 for 6 of them, probably a little less even. And some sugar and water, and that's it. Alright, so now we also have some snow cone cups. So, or shaved ice cups. You ready to get your shaved ice on?
I'm shaving.
Alright, we're gonna make some shaved ice and we're gonna pour some on and show it to you. So this is the fun part, putting on the syrup. I'm gonna finish putting on my grape, and I think I need a little bit more of the blue raspberry. You know, blue raspberry is my favorite. That's the one that Ed had me make in front of you guys. So this is so good, yum. Alright, hey, wait a minute, why do you have a straw? Here, switch to me. I like to use a straw.
Hey, you get some of mine.
Alright, take that. Oh, hey, I got red on mine. Oh well. You know why I like to use a straw? I like to drink it at the end. But the way I like to eat this is to give it a taste. Like that. Oh my gosh. There's seriously no reason to buy any of this at the store. None whatsoever. How was it?
This is really good. It's as good or better than the stuff you buy in the store, and it's so much cheaper.
I think it's better. There's no preservatives. You can make whatever flavor you want. We make about the 8 ounces of flavor at a time. We do different bottles. We make several batches of the sugar, and then we separate it into different bottles. What flavors you got there? The cherry and what else? I got
cherry, lemon lime, and blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry. That's my favorite. Let me try the grape. You know what? The lemon lime is one of the best flavors from the Kool-Aid lines. So make sure you get that. And it's really simple. You know, all you do is you make your shaved ice. We use a snowy machine for the shaved ice. It makes it like that. We put these little cups under there, but use whatever you want. And
be sure you get the unsweetened Kool-Aid, the packets.
Yeah.
Packets.
Definitely get the unsweetened Kool-Aid. So, and then you just, after you mix it up, you know, you put it into the bottles. Wait till it cools down. Don't put it on your ice when it's hot. It will melt it. You can put it in the refrigerator for a little bit.
That's
right? And then take it out at room temperature. And the consistency is just perfect. Did you just drop some?
No.
Did you drop some?
No.
Well, this was a lot of fun showing you how to make this. And remember, I'm going to show you also how to make some low-carb, sugar-free syrup. So people who are sugar-free, who are doing a low-carb diet, who are diabetic like me, can eat it. That's why I'm just taking a couple little tastes, because it's a little bit too much for me. But it's good. My tongue, wait a minute, I need a blue tongue.
No.
You got a blue tongue? Getting there. Thank you all so much for staying with us today while we made snow cone and shaved ice syrup. So make sure you follow me. Like oh, that's Pooey. Make sure you follow me on Facebook. You can show them Pooey or Ginny Man. Oh, my little cat is talking. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, and on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter at This Old Gal Cooks. The recipe will be on my blog, This Old Gal. Thank you guys. We will see you next time. Bye.
Hey everybody, Ed here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on social media. We'll see you in the next video.